Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Sabina with my November 2017 newsletter video blog summary. This month I received my I Am Rohingya theatre production brochure. I also received my copy of the Goodnight Stories for Rebel Girls 2. I travelled to the United Kingdom and attended the Northwest Regional Fair Trade Conference at Salford University. I also attended the Woman's Word Manchester project at Gorton Library. I had dinner with my creative director Helen Barlow Scott. I travelled to Oxford and met with Claire and Maranda of the Fair Trade shop at St Michael's, and had a wonderful lunch with Maranda, St Jonn, Nicholle of the Oxford Coalition team. I had a wonderful time in the UK, even though my shoulder was still recovering from surgery. Thank you to everyone for making me feel so welcome. I look forward to recording another video for you very soon. Take good care of yourselves. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam. Peace and blessings.